Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best flat rope is probably one of the most versatile pieces of equipment you can own. Whether you're an avid camper, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates preparedness, a reliable flat rope can be a game changer. From securing loads to creating makeshift shelters, its applications are vast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flat ropes, exploring their various uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Rapid Rope 120-foot White Flat Tactical Paracord. This is a flat, braided rope with incredible strength. It can hold up to 1,100 pounds. It comes in a convenient canister, perfect for various uses. The canister includes a built-in cutter for safe and easy use. It's designed to be tangle-free, so you won't have to deal with knots. You can dispense it in any direction. This product is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any situation where you need reliable rope. It can easily fit in a cup holder or survival bag. This product is quick, convenient, and strong. It's the smartest parachute cord alternative in the industry. It provides unparalleled convenience in any scenario. Your purchase supports a local business with American employees. All of the flat tactical paracord is made in the United States. They ensure the best quality product is produced. What we like. This flat rope comes with a built-in cutter, making it incredibly convenient. The tangle-free dispensing ensures a smooth experience every time. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution for your outdoor needs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The flat rope is very strong and durable. It is easy to handle and store. The flat design prevents tangling. Number 4. GM Climbing 1-inch Nylon Tubular Webbing. This tubular webbing is from GM Climbing, 1 inch wide, made of 100% nylon. It is UIAA certified and rated to a minimum breaking strength of 4,000 pounds. The quality nylon material assures excellent resistance to abrasion and UV. This makes it highly adaptable to outdoor environments, ensuring it can serve you for a long time. Compared to flat webbing, this tubular webbing excels in holding knots and resisting abrasion. It is especially effective against wear from sharp bends. The fine weave pattern makes it easy to sew with. You can create slings, ladders, dog leashes, and more with it. Carry a roll with you for camping, climbing, hiking, or backpacking. You can also use it for DIY projects like dog leashes and box straps. The applications are endless. What we like. This webbing is UIAA certified, ensuring its reliability for climbing and rescue. The durable nylon material provides excellent resistance to abrasion and UV. If you are a climber or outdoor enthusiast who values safety and durability, this product is designed for you. What people say. Great quality and very strong. Seems to be great quality. I have a length of this tubular webbing in my emergency gear, very strong and take up less space than rope. Number 3. Ribbon Factory USA 2,500 pounds pull tape. This pull tape is proudly made in the USA. It's constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability for your projects. With a 2,500 pounds capacity, this tape is designed for demanding applications. It can handle the toughest pulls, making the job easier. The tape is pre-lubricated to reduce friction. This feature helps prevent duct cutting and ensures smooth operation during use. The tape is printed with sequential footage markings. These water-resistant markings allow for easy monitoring of cable location. Made from 100% polyester, this tape is built to last. It's designed to withstand wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance. The tape is packaged on sturdy plastic reels. This packaging protects the tape and makes it easy to handle and store. What we like. This flat rope is pre-lubricated to reduce friction and prevent duct cutting. It also features sequential footage markings for easy monitoring. If you need a reliable and user-friendly pull tape for cable installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works great for pulling wire. Meet strength needs. Easily pulled a 4-conductor MHF though 200 foot of 2 PVC. Number 2. Tan 10 feet 1 inch PolyPro rope, flat hollow braid. This rope is designed for durability. It's perfect for water activities because it can withstand harsh conditions. It is strong, lightweight, and floats. Polypropylene is the key. This material ensures the rope's resilience. It's ideal for any environment, especially where water is involved. Compared to other ropes, this one is very cost-effective. It holds its shape even under heavy loads, making it a reliable choice. You can choose from a variety of sizes. Options include 10, 25, 50, and 100 feet, so you can find the perfect length for your needs. This rope comes in a wide range of colors. You can select from white, black, tan, teal, red, brown, silver gray, aqua, blue, olive drab, and Pacific blue. What we like. This rope is perfect for water activities due to its ability to float and withstand harsh conditions. It is also cost-effective and can hold its shape under heavy loads. If you like water sports or need a reliable rope for marine use, you should consider this. What people say. I used it for a replacement on a bistro set that had a bamboo wrap that got brittle and broke. Variety of use. Good quality material. I use the flat rope to make heavy-duty dog leashes. The rope feels nice in the hands and very strong and flexible. Number 1. Nylon Paracord 550 rope, camping, hiking, utility. This nylon rope is perfect for hiking, camping, and even survival situations. It's also great for DIY projects like making crafts at home. The Paracord is built to last, handling both wet and dry conditions with ease. It's also UV resistant, protecting it from the elements. This 550 Paracord offers natural protection against oils, acids, and abrasions. This means your equipment will stay in top shape for longer. With a 1/4 inch diameter, this 80-foot rope can hold up to 2,200 pounds. It's also UV resistant and features a braided nylon jacket for extra strength. The cord is 80 feet long and has a 1/4 inch diameter, making it ideal for tying projects. It's especially useful for fishing or hunting. What we like. This Paracord is versatile and can be used for various tasks, from camping to DIY projects. It is also durable and UV resistant, ensuring it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile rope for your outdoor adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. This line is stiff enough that it doesn't get twisted and kinked. I needed about 50 to 60 feet of durable small diameter line that would fit easily through my anchor pulley system but not something that tangles easily. I can say, though, that it is very lightweight, extremely easy to knot, and equally easy to splice and grip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.